Hi, welcome back to Edison Public Library's Easy Craft program. Today we're going to be learning how to make a dinosaur handprint card. So if you're looking for an easy way to make a card for somebody in your life that you love and want to recognize, this is a fun way to do it. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to do this in a few easy steps. Alright, so here we go. Just lower this so you can see the work surface. And you're going to start off with a standard sheet of construction paper or colored paper. It doesn't have to be construction paper, but construction paper is a little thicker and sturdier. You're going to need a glue stick, scissors, crayons or markers, and some googly eyes. Right? You don't have to have googly eyes, but you can use, if you do, that's great. If not, you can draw the eyes, and we'll show you how to do that. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is trace your hand. Actually, I'm sorry, you're going to fold your piece of paper in half. Okay, you're going to fold it in half, and because my hand is so big, well, I could probably do it on this. No, you want to be able to have the piece of paper facing up like this. So I'm going to use a big sheet of paper like this, so my hand fits on it. All right, so you fold it in half, and you want the open part facing away from you. Right? Put your hand on there. You can have someone help you do this, and you're going to trace your hand. Using a marker is best because you can see the shape of your hand when you go to cut it out better. Alright, so there we go. You're going to cut that out, this, and I already did it so I can show you. When you're done, you have your hand. Looks like two hands, right? Right, that's that part. Now, the neck of the dinosaur is basically almost like a question mark, but you can practice drawing it. Just here's the head. You're gonna come around. And that's the basic shape right there of the dinosaur's head and neck. Okay, then you're going to cut that out, which I've already done. Voila. So what you're going to do is take your glue stick, put some glue down here on the bottom of the neck, and you're going to open the card, okay, because you want the neck to go between the hands, and it's going to go like this. Press down. There you go. So there you have the basic shape of your dinosaur's body. Now you're going to take your crayons, and you can decorate the dinosaur any way you want, but some dots, gives the body some texture. Or, you know, maybe the dinosaur has freckles. Freckles are nice. Okay. You can do that however you like. If you have the googly eyes, they're gonna go on its face, of course. Oops. Some googly eyes are self-adhesive. Some you have to put a little bit of glue on. And this is where you would draw the eyes in if you don't have googly eyes. Eyes. Then draw mouth. And there it is. That's my dinosaur card. And so when you're ready, you can write your greeting right here on the inside to whoever you would like. And you're done. That is your googly eye handprint card. Okay? Hope you have fun with that, and we'll see you next time.